everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1987 Chevy Silverado pickup truck. Very nice little truck we have here at Skyway Classics, as it features a red exterior. As you can see, they added new style wheels that almost look identical to the other ones, except they're more of a bigger rim, smaller tire. Doesn't rub though, which is a very nice touch. You got the small truck bed with the mat in it. Very nice touch, you don't have to worry about scratching your bed there. As for the inside, you see we got the stock gauges. You have the old-fashioned AM FM converted radio. Other than that, you have this very nice two-tone bench seat cloth. Very nice to sit in. It is an automatic on the column. One of the nicest things about these trucks was that you had the dual gas tank. So of course, if you almost ran out of gas on the left side, you could always switch it to the right tank and make it an extra couple miles. But underneath the hood, it has a nice little 350. Stock manifold is nothing too powerful, though it does produce a nice sound out the back. Other than that, we can give you a little bit of a brake test right now. Very good brakes there. But other than that, like I said, this is a nice driver truck. Could make a good show truck. It could even make a good work truck. These trucks serve many purposes, unlike a car. But as for now, we're going to get it turned around and up on the lift. So please stay tuned to see the underneath.